with Kidfunideas.com, and today I am making really cute paper helicopters. Now we've all made these little helicopters that you drop down and they flutter down and turn and spin. It's a really neat STEM project that you can do, but I thought it would be really fun to propel them using a straw at the bottom, or you could drop them from a high place. You can find this craft in the June craft section, and it comes with the templates to make it and the pattern piece for the rotor under June crafts. And for this craft, what you'll need is 2 different diameter straws, one that fits inside another one. You'll need glue sticks, scissors, and some tape. So gather up your stuff and we'll get started. Okay, so at the website you can download a template and choose either a black and white version of this helicopter or use the yellow version of the helicopter. I'm going to use the yellow one today because it's easier to show you. First of all, what you'll do is cut out 2 of these images, and they're mirror images of themselves, so that you have 2 helicopters pieces that look like that. The second thing you want to do is cut out the rotor section. So I've already done that as well. And then you're going to need your larger of the 2 straws. Okay, so what you'll want to do is take your scissors and cut off about an 1.5 inch piece of your straw. And then we're going to seal off one end of that. So take a piece of tape, set it over the top like that, then push down on the sides and on the other side. And then you're going to take a second piece of tape and go around that top piece to secure all that down, because when you blow on the straw, once this is inserted into your helicopter, you want some resistance at the top so it doesn't go anywhere. Next thing you're going to do is take your rotor piece and cut along the solid blue line that's at the top and on the sides. And it doesn't go all the way through here, so only cut where the blue lines are. And these dotted lines are where you will be folding your thing. So next we're going to take our straw piece, and with the sealed side up, I'm going to add a little piece of tape here. It is a little bit too long, so let me trim that off real quick. With the, let me see if I can get this a little closer. With the sealed side towards the rotors, you're going to just set that on here and roll it up with that piece of tape, right like that. And then you're going to take another piece of tape, put it on the end of this other side, and roll that up until it looks like this. Okay, so now you have your straw inside, that base piece here, and you have your indications where you're going to fold your rotors. Okay, we're not going to fold our rotors just yet, because first thing we're going to do is attach this with another piece of tape to one of our helicopters. So we're going to take our image and flip it over and attach it at the top with some tape. And if it hangs over the side, just trim it off a little. There we go. So now we have our rotor piece attached to one side. And then we're going to take our mirror image and put a glob of glue on that, where it won't run out. Glue. And we're going to fit that over the top of our helicopter. There. Might have to smush it down just a little bit. Now we have our helicopter with our rotor piece. And the last thing we're going to do is bend our rotors. One goes towards you along that dotted line, and one goes away from you along that dotted line. So now we have our rotor pieces all folded along the line. Stuff it up like that, and now it's ready to fly. So the next thing you're going to do is take that second straw that I told you needed, because that will insert right into the hole there. Okay, so you're going to take your straw, and if you have one of these bended kinds, they work really cool, because you can just hold it like that, insert it just like that into the bottom, and then you're just going to blow on the end, and it's going to lift it way up. Now, I don't have a big enough space to show you what this looks like, but I can give it a try and see if we can get it up. You really do need to drop this from a pretty high place. So let's see if I can get it to do it this way. Oh, it floats, but it has to, it spins, but it has to go from there. Okay, let me try one more time and see if you can catch it on the camera. There we go. All right. Well, I hope you guys are able to make these super fun helicopters. They are a lot of fun, and you can drop them from the top of the play structure or blow them through the room or just drop them from a high place. All right. Till next time. I'll see you later. Bye now.